there. You can film there, and then I do here the dish. No, I do with the lid like that. I'm used to. Yeah,
It's better.
maybe.
Okay. Take 4 or something, right?
Okay.
Take 4? Okay.
And what do? We cook the pastry, and then we put the sauce and all the cheese together as a layer. Today we're gonna make lasagna with Lauren with the bolognese sauce.
That's alright. We're getting there. We're getting there.
Today we do the second episode to make lasagna. Now, the water's got to boil anyway.
Yeah.
Stop it.
So tell me what you were saying before. Okay, yeah. Okay, you guys need to be quiet.
So, Lauren, I can. Right, I put him in or what?
And Nonna is here,
No.
hanging out as well. Hi, Nonna.
Hello.
I'm going good. I'm in charge of the kitchen. You are my apprentice.
Yes.
And we are originally from Bologna. That's why we got Bolognese sauce.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Bolognese.
yeah, Bolognese from Bologna.
Cool. Okay.
It's a bit awkward. And you put it like that. One bone of pork bone.
You do something different every time. Tell us, how long you normally cook it in the oven for?
For 3 hours.
20 minutes. 20 minutes.
Nonna just said 3 hours in the oven.
No, 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Look, you do with the milk. If there is too wet, you let it dry a little bit more.
Yeah.
No, don't worry. Everybody like a non lasagna, don't worry. But Nonna doesn't like it too dry, he like it more wet. He always complain because I reckon I don't wet enough.
And
But Nonna always complain. You don't listen to that?
did you just hear that?
Yeah.
I'm a master chef.
What did I miss?
It have to be enough for this because I only bought 1 packet of this cheese. We put it back and you make a photo.
Yeah.
Like we done le tagliatelle.
So that was about the same amount of that we made last
I
time.
think it was the same. Look at this one. If you do like that, because you finish more. Nonna use more hands than tools. The hands is more better than the tools. You want me to cook?
Yeah. Yeah, let's put it in the oven. What was it, Nonna, that you said?
I'm gonna get the plate ready.
Nonna's gonna get the fries ready. Now, how do you leave it there? What do you do? Oh, they can see just a side. One there. Oh, actually, no, Lauren. So I'll foil first.
You put what?
I'll foil to cook.
Oh, okay. We're downloading YouTube to Nonna's phone so she can watch herself. Did you enjoy the video we made last time?
Yeah, very nice.
Did your friends like it?
Everybody like it. They reckon it's the why really you do the cooking.
The way you're supposed to do it, yeah? The traditional way.
Yeah, the one lady she saw it on the video.
Yeah.
And she said this is the way they can the way they show the cooking from the beginning to the last. Said, I'm waiting for the next one. Oh my God.
Everyone loved you, Nonna. and they liked Nonno too. They thought you were very funny. Oh, Nonna's got some eggs. Thank you.
I think so.
That's a big egg.
Brand new one.
Oh, it's a bit of a funny shaped egg. It's like bumpy.
Before I had a big stove and I usually put 2 tins in one.
In one level, right?
One level. Now instead I've got to put one on the bottom, one on top, and then I change over. That's it's up to After your story, Lauren.
What was that, Nonna? Sorry, when you're saying when you first heard your voice?
Oh, I see the but I sound very funny.
It was fun though, yeah?
Funny, right?
Nonna, the YouTube star. Okay, here we go. Okay, Nonna, ready, go.
Ciao for now.
I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Put a little bit of sauce in there. At the bottom.
Yes, please. Look how cute Nonna is. This was the leftover pasta sheets from the lasagna.
We cut them all up and then we're gonna do it.
Yum, yum, yum. Nonno's feeling a bit left out, aren't you, Nonno?
No, you're asleep.
But that's okay, your time will come, right?
Yes?
What are you going to teach us to make?
I'll teach you to make air to it tagliatelle.
And anything else?
Yes, you don't know air to it tagliatelle.
Oh, Nonno's feeling a bit left out, aren't you, Nonno?
No, you're asleep.
But that's okay, your time will come, right?
Yes?
What are you going to teach us to make?
I'll teach you to make air to it tagliatelle.
And anything else?
Yes, you don't know air to it tagliatelle.
Oh,
Tagliatelle and spaghetti, they're long. So you're gonna go like that, roll them up. And then open your mouth and put them in.
very nice.
Well, you eat it, Lauren.
So, Nonno, what are you going to teach us to make?
Tomato sauce.
Anything else?
Vino,
My God.
salami, pancetta, prosciutto,
So
coppa.